Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a class in Quizlet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Quizlet apps on in the screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap over there. And now you can see the class at the bottom of this section. Simply select the class option, and now it is asking us for our class title and description, which is optional. So make sure you give the class title and click on save, which is at the top right corner of this screen. And yeah, you will be able to create a class successfully. So basically this is how you can create a class in Quizlet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.